What's up, guys? Let me make sure we're live. How you guys been, man? All right, we're live. Give me a like, please. Whoops. How you guys been, man? Let me head over to the chart. Let me get a like, man, if anyone's there. Appreciate it. Okay, we're looking at NAS. I'm waiting for NAS to close above this line. That's what I'm hoping is going to happen here, man. Let me check out oil real quick. All right, oil pretty much the same thing. Let me move this up. I need to close up there above that. Okay, we're going to look at NAS for a while. Keep an eye on NAS. Make it bigger. Yo, I watched this video today, right? Man, who's this guy? FX Spanish dude, man. Young dude. Right? A Forex trader. Let me see if I can pull up who it is. I want to give you the right. I think it's FX Carlos. I don't see him here in my thing. Maybe it was an old video. It just came up. But yo, man, this dude freaking dude inspired me, man, you know? Serious, man. That guy is all right in my book, man. He tells the story like right from the dude's just a humble guy, man. He's grateful. He's a Christian. He talks about how his wife stuck with him, how he struggled for like 2 or 3 years trying to learn Forex and no one thought he could do it. Hold on a sec, guys. Sorry, guys. Yeah, but this guy, man, he just strikes me as genuine. You know, when you know someone's just genuine, you know, and the way he's talking about how he struggled and stuff. He goes through the whole thing, man. You know, it was a touching video, man. It touched me, man. It reminded me, it brought me back. I never claimed to be a guru, man. There's no mansion here. None of that shit. But it just reminded me of me a little bit. Jumping from guy to guy, and I think everybody goes through a couple of years of hardship, man, with this forex, man. Like you think you're gonna start doing forex, you're gonna be a millionaire in 3 months. But it's not like that, man. We find out pretty quick, man. It's not like that, man. I must have blown like 15 accounts, all small accounts. I would put like $100 in an account, and you know, I never put a lot of money in. I mean, at least I knew that if I can't grow $100 to $1,000, I can't grow 10,000 to 100,000. You know what I mean? So there's no sense depositing 10,000 and losing it. And I didn't like trading on those fake accounts. I don't know. To me, that just even though the account was small, it was more real to me than trading a $50,000 fake account. That's more like a video game to me, you know. But yeah, man, this dude, man, he laid it out, man. I like his message, man. If he had a course, I didn't check to see if he has a course, man. But it just brought me back, man. This ain't easy, man, but this is an opportunity. That dude grew up poor. I'm from the South Bronx. I'm not saying I was poor or whatever. I guess we didn't know we were poor. We didn't even realize. We're in a bad neighborhood. We're poor. You don't even realize when you're a kid. But it's amazing. I wish I would have known about this. I mean, I didn't find out about Forex till I was in my 50s. I was already retired. I already had a whole career, and it's just amazing to me. Like when I seen this, I was kind of fascinated with it, that anybody in their living room could just jump on the internet and take money out of these charts, man. But you got to be real, man. These charts, they'll take your money from you faster than you could take it from them, man. So you got to put time in, man. If you think you're not going to put time in on these charts, you're just going to come in here and kick its butt. Nah, you're up against some smart individuals. There's trillions imagine all the money. There's like $6 trillion flowing through the Forex markets every day. Every day, bro. And you got a chance to come in here and grab that with two fists. Grab your share of that with two fists, man. And sneak in and sneak out, man. They don't even know you're there. It's amazing to me. It's still amazing to me, man. I still love it. It's not like I've been doing it forever, but it's just it's just something that's so cool, man. Anybody could do it, man. It doesn't care what color you are, doesn't care where you came from. None of that matters, man. It's you versus you, really. He was talking about, like if you're getting ready to quit, don't quit, why he stuck it out and stuff, man. And it made a lot of sense to me, man. Anyway, I think it's FX Carlos, man, if you want to check it out. He's buying a Rolex in the video, and he's just laying it out how it went for him, And I went and watched a couple other of his videos, man. The guy's he's a down-to-earth guy, man. So shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, man. I feel it, man. I feel it. Anyway, man, I just wanted to shout this guy out, man. He's got a nice channel, man. I'm glad he's making money, man. He put the work in, so he's making the money, man. God bless him, God bless him for real, man. That's the way I feel about it. Anyway, we're checking out Nas. It looks like it's ready to go up. Let me go to the 1 minute. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. If we can get a pullback down near this line, I'm going to take it. It doesn't look like it's going to give us one, to tell you the truth. I was waiting for the 15-minute close, but it's closing too high, It might pull back. We'll see. I mean, this one didn't close above, and this one shot all the way up. So let's see if it gives us a retest over here on this, somewhere near this line. We got our signal all the way down here. All right, let's see what happens, man. How you guys been, man? All right? Yeah, Forex is a trip, man. I must have went through 10 gurus. And the problem is, man, that it's all you, man. All of these, you could find just about any basic strategy, like this one now I'm doing now. It's really basic, man. But if you just manage your risk, I mean, you could be it's like flipping a coin, man. That's what I always say. If you flip a coin, right? Like when you decide to go long or short, it's like flipping a coin. It could go either way. But when you get it right, you win $1. And when you lose 50 cents. So that's what puts you ahead of the game, is managing your risk, you know. Of course you want to win more than you lose. You play the probabilities and you got your little system. But Forex really, I mean, it's hard to explain, man. I'm not gonna say it's easy, man. It's not easy, but it's not like you don't have to be a rocket scientist or nothing. You just got to be disciplined, and you got to figure out. You got to make your rules for you that you want to follow. Get your little system going and just stick to it, man. The problem that I had, I'm sure most people has. I'm following this guy for a month. That's not working out for me. Go find another guy, buy another course, whole different thing. Try that for 2 months. It's not really working out. You know, and you got to figure out what you're comfortable with. Like I was never really comfortable, like taking long trades, like holding a trade. Like some of these guys are swing traders. It's just not for me. It's not my personality to. When that trade is up, if the trade's up 100 pips, man, I'm looking to close. I'm not looking to hold it for another week. You know what I mean? I'm looking to take my money and get out. So I realize that I'm just a scalper, man. I like scalping. I like just taking money, just compounding my account, raising my lot size as my account gets bigger. You do it like that, you'll get there, man. You know. Let me see this. Where's my phone? I'm getting ready to jump in on this trade here, man. Okay. I'm still getting used to this damn. This nice. Come down one more time, baby. But after that, go up. I'm gonna take this, guys. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom, I'm in. Let's see what happens here. Do I have a thing here? I do. Right around there. Close this a little bit. All right. We're in a trade already, guys. Love it. Okay, it broke our area here. Okay, there was like a nice resistance here that it was messing with. It finally broke through. Came back for the retest. And we took it. Now let's see what happens. I don't set my stop loss. I don't set a stop loss, guys, while I'm sitting. You guys got to set your own stop loss. It would probably be something like that. If I was going out shopping or something, I'd probably put it like right there. Let's hope we get some volume and it moves this thing now. Now I'm not going to take it all the way up there. I'm going to take profit somewhere. Let me see. Man, I got pain in my back. I'll probably take some profit right here at this red line that I had marked. Turn that green. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, guys. All right, that's the deal. That's the trade for today, guys. So let's see what happens. Yeah, yo, this dude is just right out there, man. He wears his heart on his sleeve, man. He was showing where he lived, how he had no kitchen, you know. Crazy, man. You know, man, it makes me happy to see somebody come up like that, you know. Makes me happy, man. He's not out flashing, you know. I mean, he went to buy a Rolex. Obviously, you know, he's flashing a little bit, but you know, he don't strike me as fake, you know, like these guys. So, I mean, I don't know who's fake and who's not. It's hard to tell nowadays with this internet shit, but you know, I really got nothing against anybody, man, but this guy I like, man. I like him a lot. All right, we need a push here, man. Come on. We had pain in my back, man. Anyway, what's H bar doing today? Let me see. Looks like it's up a little. 0.072. 0.0728. Titan X is about the same. I hope Titan X does something, man. I really like that coin. I got involved with that because the owner is you know, he's out front and center, man. He's not hiding. You know, I like when the owners, you know, they come out and they explain what's going on. Even Bitcoin, right? Nobody even knows who made that thing. Man, I hear the wind howling out there. Come on now. Stop messing around. Okay, I like the way that rejected out of there. Nice. I'm feeling good about it, man. Coffee. I got my son's birthday this weekend. All my kids are coming over. I got 5 kids, so have a nice little party here. Next weekend we'll probably have a barbecue. Maybe we'll go by the lake. I could do it here in the clubhouse too, by the pool if it's warm enough to swim. Maybe we'll just go right to the pool. Have a barbecue over there. Yeah, but I wish I had found out about this like Forex when I was a young man, you know? I had heard about this guy that was trading forex. I knew the guy, but I thought it was like bullshit. I thought this was something like bankers do. That they could only do it. Or big like like big time traders and stuff. Man, I didn't know you could do this. You can open an account with $10 and start trading. Crazy. What an opportunity, man. What an opportunity, man. Take your time, man. Learn to become profitable. I'm thinking about doing a prop firm. I never tried one. I wouldn't recommend doing one unless you're, consistently profitable, where you're just wasting your money trying to pass a challenge. And then when you pass the challenge, if you're not going to make any money, you're just wasting your time and your money. You're better off just trading your own account. But I see these guys too that talk about, withdrawing money and putting it into your account, man. I don't think that's a good idea, guys. I don't know why they would tell you to do that. Why would you take this market's risky, man? Why would you take if you win $2,000, man? Why would you take it and put it back in the market, man? You know? Years ago, man, I was involved in real estate. I had a bunch of houses in New York, in like Orange County mostly. I had a six-family apartment building in the Bronx, and I had like 15 houses in Orange County. And I always wanted to get back into that, but I was always too busy. I was in like a bad marriage back then, and it kind of went bad when the housing market crashed. Everything got kind of messed up, and I didn't really have time to manage it the way I wanted to, the way it needed to be managed. And I got out of real estate, and I left a bad taste in my mouth. And lately, man, I've been thinking about, I want to get back into real estate. And I found this dude, man. If you guys want to do real estate, okay, send me an email, man. I'll send you to the right guy. Okay, I've been watching this guy. Everything he says makes sense. I know about real estate. I've been involved in it, and everything this guy says makes sense, man. I'm getting back into real estate, and I'm going to do it the way this guy teaches it. This guy's absolutely right, man. You know, that's my next thing, man. Any money I take out of these markets, I'm going to put into real estate. I don't really need the money. I haven't, you know. I mean, obviously, you can never have too much money, right? But I mean, I could just take anything I win out of. I could just put it in a bank account and buy real estate with it. My bills are already paid, and I want to build something that lasts. That I don't have to go back and every day and do it again and do it again. I want to get it set up, and it just keeps growing on its own. And that's how this guy has his real estate set up. He don't plunge no toilets. That was one of the things with real estate. All the tenants, man, they'll drive you nuts. These tenants. And I had some Section 8 tenants, which I don't care, Section 8, not Section 8, but I should have had more Section 8 tenants. I only had a couple. And I remember I was talking to this guy. He had buildings in the Bronx. He was a friend of mine back then. He was like a millionaire dude, Italian dude. Nice guy, man, nice as could be. And he asked me if I was renting Section 8. And I told him, nah, I got a couple, but I don't really rent Section 8. I just check everybody's, make sure they're working. And he said to me, just because someone has a job this month, that don't mean they're going to have a job next month. And that stuck with me, man. This dude was absolutely right, man. As soon as that housing crunch came, people stopped paying. It was like a domino effect. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back. Real estate's a winner, man. I made a lot of money when it was going good. I made good money from it. I remember I bought a little crappy house in Orange County, just one of the deals, and I held a mortgage on it. You know, these Hasidic Jew guys bought it off me, and they paid me for 2 years, and then they refinanced it, gave me a check for 60 grand. Man, that's a lot of money back then. It was a year's pay for a lot of. That's a year's pay for a lot of people, even today. You know. So if you guys want to learn how to do real estate right, man, I'll send you to the right place. I'm not I don't sell any courses or anything. I'll point you in the right direction. I'm not an affiliate of any of this stuff. I've just been around. I've seen a lot of fake gurus, and this guy's the real deal. So anyway, that's the deal with that, man. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start getting some houses again. I got the bug for it. I always loved real estate too, you know. But like I was saying, the point was with a funded account, man. You know, if I was pulling 5 grand a month out of a funded account or whatever it is, you know, I wouldn't put it back in the market. Why would you do that, man? It doesn't make sense to me. Why would you put it back at risk? You know, you got to use this too, kind of like as a means to an end, you know. You got to set something up. And real estate is, in my view, is probably the best thing to set up, you know. I think that's the way to go. That's the way I'm going to go. Anyway, that's just me blabbing. And we're just hanging around here, man. I hate this. There's no volume, man. Maybe at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock we might get a push. Hopefully it's up. It's sitting right on the entry, right where I got in. Man, I'm gonna go for a walk. I want to get out of the house, get some fresh air. I try to walk at least 2 miles a day, you know? Come on now. If we could break the high of this candle, I'll feel real good about it. What we're looking at right there. When you look at the indicator, put us in all the way down here, man. Fucking sweet, man. This indicator really works. If you backtest this indicator, man, put you in the cell here. I mean, if it's like this, you know, then it doesn't work, you know, but. All right, we're going to break that. Come on, let's break that high, man. It broke it. I can see the wick sticking up above the line. All right, I'm up 7. Oh wait, 10 pips. I'm up. I'm up 10 pips already. Now, when I say pips, guys, don't message me. Oh, 10 pips. I'm talking about from where I got in, right? And I'm just talking about what's in my account. Okay, so if I'm using a $10 lot size and I say I got 10 pips, that means I'm up $100 that I see physically with my 2 eyes in my account. You know, that could be it could be 12 pips, but -2 for the spread. I don't know. I'm not getting into all that. These guys be messaging me, 10 pips. Bro, the trade is right here in front of you. I got nothing to lie about. I'm just telling you what I see in my actual money. You know, I'm not actually measuring pips. You know, if you're doing $1 a pip and you got $10, you're up 10 pips in my book. You know. So, anyway, just want to clear that up. Yeah, people are crazy, man. Yeah, it's windy out, man. I see the trees flying around. It's sunny though. Oh, come on, Naz. Stop messing around, man. It did break that high, man. I'm glad about that. I don't like the way it keeps coming back and retesting. You know what happens when if a hammer hits a wall enough times, the wall's gonna fall, right? Come on, man. That coming down with some force. see, where's it going? That's the question. We got a little support here. We got this fair value gap. Come here, Eva. What are you doing? Huh? Give me that. What's the matter, baby? Good girl. Okay, okay. Okay, sweetie. Sounds like a hurricane out there, man. Okay, baby. Yeah. It violates this fair value gap, man. That's really not a good sign, you know. And I gotta sneeze. All right, it closed below that fair value gap. That's not good. It's not the end of the world, but it's not good. Lock this in. Oh, baby, let's go. All right, guys, what do you think? Up, down. It may come down and take this low. That's what I'm thinking now. We'll see. I'm still in this trade. I'm holding. I'm thinking now it may just come down, take this low, and then reverse. You guys have to manage your own risk. I'm not worried about this drawdown, really, you know? That's another thing, too. Some people, they over leverage, you know? I could sit through this no problem because I don't over leverage, man. Well, this support is holding for now. I still think it might come down here. Go to the 30-minute. See, this is just yesterday's low right here. It may want to sweep this and then go back up. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see. Went up a little bit. Could be a fake out. Ugh. All right. I want to get moving, man. Come on, Naz. Let's go. Shoot up 100 pips, man. I can go for a walk. My back hurts. Let's roll, man. Not getting any younger. TP yet? All right, coming back. About halfway back. What do you guys think? Up or down? I think up, man. I live in a town called Hope. We didn't break the low, you know. So that's a higher low as far as I'm concerned. So we should come up and make a higher high. Let's see what it does. It was that easy, right? We'd all be making Lambo videos. It's sunny out, Josh. My goodness, what a beautiful day. I don't like this thing so big, man. Freaking annoying. The reason I make it bigger sometimes is because then when you go to the higher, if you look at the higher time frame, you can't even see it. Oh, I guess we don't be needing this. Bum, 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 bum. It's going up, man. It's going up. I don't know if you guys can hear that wind, man. It's crazy. See where we're at here. I am down 26 pips. All right. Yeah. I'm down 26 pips. So we got some work to do here. All right, 20 pips, 19 pips. Let's roll, baby. I went to go do my Rocky song and it's gone. Can't find it now. Damn it. I need the Rocky song now, man. Where is this thing, man? The app ain't working now. It was an app. Try this one. Man, this one's loaded up with advertisements. Out of here with this thing. Remove app, delete app, delete. I don't mind a little advertisement for a free app, but you know, enough's enough. Man. Enough is enough. Come on, baby. It's coming back. What do you think, guys? Up or down? All right. Coming back, baby. I hope you guys held. I mean, if you don't like to trade, it's better to get out now than get out all the way at the bottom, right? Sorry, guys. Trying to find my soundboard. It's not working. I gotta get rid of this thing. It's not working. I don't know why it stopped working. All right, what's going on, guys? We're gonna win this thing or what? Time is it 2:40? 3 o'clock. We're gonna get a push. I think one way or the other. Okay, we need a rejection there, please. Thank you. Oh, Everything's like ranging today, you know? What about gold? Same thing. It's trying to go up now, so now down 10 pips. Now 11. Now 10 again. Good. Making progress here, guys. Has to push through that area again. Though if one we had trouble getting through there the first time, remember? That's what made me decide to take the trade. We broke through there. Come on, push through, baby. There you go. Beautiful. Down 5 pips, 6 pips. Take my vitamin. Pill is so big, and I hate it. Let me see if I can find that guy's name, man. I talked about him for 10 minutes, so I want to make sure at least I give the right name. I don't see it here. I'm surprised. It must be an old video or something. Pretty sure I subscribed to the guy. That's why it came up, I guess. Maybe it just came up. I'm not even subscribed. I think it was FX Carlos, man. I'm not sure. I think that's what it was, though, but I just want to make sure. I hate to shout the guy out and get the wrong channel, you know? The dude's on point, man. Young dude, I'm proud of him, man. Anyway, we're almost back to break even. If you guys don't have the stomach for this trade, now's the time to get out as soon as we go break even. I'm staying in. Maverick didn't come here to lose, you know what I'm saying? That's important too, guys. I want to talk about that for a second, man. Like I knew that I was going to be when it was time for me to be profitable. I knew it, man. It's like I put my foot down. I had blown an account. I put a couple $100 in an account, $100, $200, whatever, my usual small account. I grew it up. I grew it up a little bit, and then I made a mistake and I blew the account. Okay, I don't know how many accounts I've blown. At least 10. I don't know, maybe 15. I'm not really not sure. Doesn't really matter. Everybody has their number, man. But when I blew that account, then I said, you know what, man? I'm not doing this no more, man. I put my foot down. And since that day, man, I've been profitable. I knew what I did wrong. Even though I had told myself I knew what I did wrong before, and I told myself I wasn't going to do it anymore. This time it's like I meant it, man. I'm just like, I'm not doing that no more. That's it, man. I'm not here to feed these brokers. I'm here to feed my family. You know, I gotta get this, man. You know, and that's it, man. It starts today, man. And I don't win every trade, man. That's for damn sure. But I've been profitable ever since. I mean, that's not even a year ago. Probably 7, 8 months ago. And I've just been doing good ever since that, man. It was just like an attitude shift. It was just time, man. I don't know how to explain it other than that, man. I just got pissed off and said, you know what, man? Stop messing around, man. This is important. This is important, man. You know, you're not some chump that these guys are gonna just keep taking your money, man. You got to snap out of that, man. This ain't a game. Right now we're in profit, guys. So if you guys want to close, I'm holding, man. I'm gonna hold. Let's see what it does. I want it to break this high again. I'll feel good once it breaks this. Let me move it up a little. Because it broke it before, though. It didn't mean nothing, but it still has to break that high. Hey, it's struggling to go up, though, man. You see how nice and easy it comes down every time? Maybe we'll get out. If it can't break this high, maybe we'll just close this trade. Because when it gets up here, it just shh, you know, right here. Nice and easy down, man. Yeah, nice and easy down. Let's see what it does. Yeah, this thing really is all mindset, man. I should be trading a bigger lot size probably than I trade, but I do that on purpose, man. I trade a smaller lot size, and it keeps me calm, man. When we go through this drawdown, man, I suggest you do that. If you're gonna worry about it, you're probably, if you're like real stressed out about this, you trade into your lot size is probably too big, man. Like I'll literally go out, man. If I wasn't live streaming, I'll literally go for a walk and come back and check on it when I get back. There's no way this trade is gonna blow my account or even ruin my day, man. It's just the way it is, my friends. I'm only making suggestions. I suggest you do the same thing. I'm right at break even right now. I'm up 1 pip. I don't know if you guys can hear that wind, man. That's crazy. Up 2 pips. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm glad we're up here a little bit now for 3 o'clock in case there's a push. There we go. Little volume coming in. Let's get it up to here. I can take some profit. Never be afraid to take some profit, guys. You'll never go broke taking profit. Don't listen to these guys. Let the trade run. Yeah, let it run after you take some profit. If you don't take profit, you didn't win a trade till you took some profit, right? Protect your protect your bank, man. You gotta protect your capital. Don't listen to nobody, man. Protect your capital. That's your job. Oh, I am up 10 pips. Let's see if we can pop through there now. Come on, baby. Go right through there. Boom! Come on. Let me go down to the 1 minute. There we go. We broke that high. That's important, man. We made a little higher high. There we go. I am up 13 pips now. Beautiful. Let me go back down to the 3. All right, we're rocking now, guys. $18 pips. Ah, nice, guys. Nice. This is a W, man. Give me a W in the chat, man. There's no way I'm letting this come back now into negative. So this is a W, man. At the worst, it's a break even, but a break even is a W, man. They don't get your money, that's a W. We're gonna meet a little resistance right here. See this? This is a fair value gap, a real small one, but you'll be surprised, man. It'll wick right off there. It'll touch it, and then, it acts like a resistance, basically. Hopefully it'll blow right through it, I don't want to put a damper on our festivities here, but come on now, keep going. See it right here, it's bigger on this 5 minute. Get stiff, guys. Let me just see. I was already in the trade, so I wasn't paying attention. But look at the buy signal, guy. Look where it came. Right after this candle. It put you would have entered right here if you were using the buy signal. Look at that, man. Beautiful. It did give you a sell here. Okay, my rule when I'm enter a trade with that, I wouldn't have got out here because it didn't close below the red line, the 9 SMA. And even if it did close, I would wait for the next candle to open and just see if it goes back my direction. I don't close right away on that candle. I wait for the next one. And the next one closed right above the SMA again, so I still would have been in this trade according to my rules. And it broke that high again, which is good. Good sign that it wants to keep going up. And it's 3 o'clock, so let's see if we get a little push here. That looks like that line. And it's above this one. So we're coming to this fair value gap now. I may take profit here, guys, when it gets to that fair value. Let me see how it reacts there. Let me move this line down here. It could reverse off that fair value gap. got here? I'm up almost 20 pips. You know the way I feel about 20 pips, man. If you can get 20 pips every day guaranteed, you'll be a millionaire in no time. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. If it touches this green line, I'm going to close half my trade. Oh, damn it. Yeah, that's like 21 and a half pips. Let's see. It has to get there first, right? Come on, baby. Let's go. There you go. Now you're cooking with gas. Let's go. Flip that candle, man. Be right back, guys. All right, guys. What should I do? What should I do? It's up there now. I'm going to take half, guys. What the heck? You never go broke taking half, right? Okay. I'm going to move my stop loss now. Right below this fair value gap. Okay, guys? This is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy having a little fun on YouTube. All right, but stops to break even at least, guys. And I'm going to let it run. Okay, it's almost up at our original take profit. If you guys didn't take profit yet, you can take it up here. So this is risk-free now, guys. Everybody should be up. Do not lose this trade now. There's no excuse for losing this trade, guys. I can still hear my man Al calling me donkey of the day. He said, man, if you're up 20 pips and you take a loss, you're the donkey of the day, man. I could hear him. I could hear that in my head in his voice. So shout out to you, Al. He was right, man. You got no business losing a trade after you're up 20 pips, man, and not taking any money. Crazy, man. Just keep growing your account every day, man. The more you grow your account, the more you take, man. Pretty soon you'll be grabbing with two fists every day out of this thing. Warren Buffett will be freaking putting a hit on you, man. Swiping his cash. Yeah, so that's it, guys. We're good. I don't know if I'm going to stay on. I'll stay on a few more minutes, I guess, but let me see. Now I got a little time. Everything's good. Let me see. Yeah, it's FX Carlos, guys. That's the video I saw today. It's called Before You Quit Trading in 2024. I went and watched a couple of his videos after that, man. So shout out to FX Carlos, man. That's a real guy right there, man. You could tell when someone's real, man. When they just tell you, man, tell you right where they came from. That's it, man. That's what it's about, man. That's the kind of stories you like. I could care less about these guys driving around in their Lambos. See a guy like that, man, that was struggling, man. Now he's making some money, man. Shout out, man. I could hang with that dude any day, man. Anyway, guys, this is going to mess around. Like I said, my stop loss is right here. Okay, 17537. Let me set a take profit. Because I'm going to go for a walk, man. Shall I just put it all the way up here? I'm going to put it here. My final TP is 17664. I may take profit here. Let me see what we got here. Why did I draw that line? Let me get rid of that line. Let me set a real place here. That's a good place to take profit. You could just close it here if you want. This is actually a supply. So I don't know if it's going to make it through this. A lot of times it'll come to this and just reverse. So you might want to make this your final TP. I can't tell the future. I've always had more insight into the past than the future. You know what I'm saying, guys? But yeah, I guess this would be a good final TP, guys. Let me get this out of here. All right, guys. Anyway, man, God bless you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Another W. I think that's 7 in a row. It was a rough day, man. We went through some drawdown, but what the heck, man? It is what it is. I knew it was coming back, man. I willed it back, man. Pure willpower. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, man. I'm just messing around. See you guys tomorrow, guys. Peace, man. Peace.